Hi there, this is a video showing a simple method to use Google AdWords to test a particular keyword and its possible potential for our website or business. So for this example, we're going to pretend that we're going to launch a catering company in London. And already I've done a little bit of keyword research on keywords around catering in London. And this one that we've typed into the Google toolbar here, I know has 880 exact match searches every month. So that means 880 people type in these exact keywords and search for them every month on google.co.uk. And the page one in google.co.uk looks like this. So we can see here there's a local listing at the top, a couple of SEO, organic listings in between, and another local listing here. So we can see that with either a good dose of local SEO or some very good organic SEO, we can push our new website up into this area here and potentially attract a good share of the traffic that's searching for this keyword every day. But before we do that and invest all that time and money on SEO, what we're going to do is test this keyword in Google AdWords and bid for this ad here. So the number one top position for this particular keyword. We're going to run that ad for a week and see how this keyword converts for our new website. So how do we set things up to see what that's going to cost us and how many click-throughs we can expect to judge our results against? Well, what we do is we use a Google tool called the Traffic Estimator. So if we type Traffic Estimator into the Google search box, you can see here the first result is exactly the tool we're after. And what we're going to do is grab our keyword from the top there and paste it into here. So for this tool to work, we also need to put in a maximum cost per click value. And I always start this at £1 or $1 or whatever your currency may be, wherever you are. And we type in the captcha. And what this will do is it will come back with some figures for us where we can see that Caterers London initially is getting quite a lot of searches here. An estimated cost per click of 80 pence a time. That gives us an ad position of number 4 and estimated daily clicks of 11. So the first thing we're going to do is change the match type to be exact and re-estimate our figures. Now that's important because we're looking to test this particular keyword here. And if possible, we want to be paying for an ad that generates enough click-throughs just on this particular keyword for us to give it a good test. So we can see here that we get our 880 local searches. Local here refers to the United Kingdom, searches a month. And we're now getting an estimated ad position of 2.59 with 1 click every day. So what we're going to do now is just raise our cost per click, re-estimate, and what we're trying to do is get this figure down to 1.20 or less. And that ensures to us that we're going to be at position 1 or better. Oh, you can't get any better than 1, but we're going to be number 1 as many times as we possibly can be across the week. So we're pretty close there. I'm just going to raise that slightly more. Okay, let's go to £1.90 a click. Okay, so 1.27, that will do for us, and we can see that that's going to generate for us 2 clicks a day on this exact match phrase. It's going to cost us £2.85 a day, so times by 7, that's going to give us somewhere around about £16, £17 to test that keyword for the week, and that is a good thing to do. If having created an ad and tested this keyword at this rate over a week, we find that we get a lot of click-throughs to the site but no actual orders, then that tells us that perhaps we need to look at our site, our on-page copy, and find out why people are not progressing to an order. If on the other hand we find that our ad is shown many times in position 1 but we don't get any click-throughs, then we need to look at our ad copy and what we're saying as part of our sales message. Is it strong enough? So I hope that's been helpful. That's a simple way to test your keywords using Google AdWords. More videos to come next week on this technique, but I hope for now that's been useful.